Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the front subframe bushings on Renault Scenic second generation. There is two bushings on the subframe. On the rear of the subframe, that's one of the bushings, and on the other side there is the other bushing. In order to replace the subframe bushings, first we need to drop the subframe. We'll start by removing the two wheels. So the bolts that we need to remove are bolts on the ball joints on the two sides. Also there is 7 or 8 bolts that hold the subframe that we need to drop. There is also 2 bolts holding the steering rack, and also the gearbox mount we need to remove. We start by removing the bolts for the ball joints and then remove the ball joint as well. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Next, we'll remove the 2 bolts holding the steering rack to the subframe. Next, we'll remove the 3 bolts holding the gearbox mount and remove the mount. We can see now that the steering rack is loose. Now we're gonna put an elastic rope on it so that when we drop the subframe it doesn't go down. Next, we'll remove the bolts that hold the stabilizer bushings. There is 1 bolt on each bushing that we need to remove, that's one, and another one on the other side. Next, we're going to put a transmission jack underneath the subframe so that when we start removing the bolts, the the subframe is not gonna fall down. And now we start removing the subframe bolts. There's another two bolts holding the subframe on the sides. There's two bolts on the front of the subframe that we need to remove. We need to remove the mudguard, or not remove it, just get it loose on the bottom so that it goes up, and then there is another two bolts on there that hold the frame. Next, we need to remove the stabilizer link bushings from the subframe, and on one side we need a pry bar to do it. Yep, this one is removed. Now we remove the other one. And now that we've removed everything, we can drop down the subframe and drop it down slowly and look if there is anything that you still need to remove, a connection or anything, and then just drop down the subframe. Here we can see the two bushings. This one is very loose and it's going up and down, needs to be changed. The other one is the same. So we're going to remove and replace the bushings on the hydraulic press. Underneath we're going to put a ring that's bigger than the diameter of the bushing, so that it will drop down, and on top we're going to put a socket as big as the bushing. And that's the bushing out. Now we can put on the new bushing. When you put on the new bushing, make sure you put a socket or a ring with a diameter that's as big as the metal part of the bushing, and just you can press it down. And that's the bushing replaced. Now we're gonna remove and replace the other bushing. We do it exactly the same way. And that's the bushing out. Now we're gonna put on the new bushing. Okay, that's the second bushing replaced. Now we need to go back to the car and put on the subframe and assemble everything back in the reverse order. I'm only showing how to put the subframe back on the car.